recently, I had to clean out all of my closets because we were replacing the floor in the house. And the process was really interesting because buried deep in those closets were things I hadn't thought about in years, I hadn't used in years, and quite frankly, I hadn't missed. But every now and then I ran across something that I was like, wow, that's really cool. I should use that again. And it got me thinking about my marketing. Because when you look at all of the different things that you've done over the years, you've got a marketing closet. And from time to time, you need to take it all out and evaluate each piece. Is it still adding value? Is there something you forgot about that you used to do that worked really well? And are there things you just need to let go of? It's time to clean out your marketing closet. And if you need a little help, give me a buzz. Set up an office hour and we can talk about what should be in your marketing closet.